Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing some IGCSE hard math problems, episode 1, and the paper code is 0580 February March 2019, question 6A. Since I'll only be doing the hard problems, so I'm only doing the first A part. Okay, so the question says that we have this shape and this is a logo. So the question asks us to find the perimeter of the logo. So they said that OA equals OD, which is 0.5 centimeter, which is the radius of the sector. Then AB is 1.5 centimeter, OE is 0.25 centimeters, and angle OED, which means this angle here, is 90 degrees. And they asked us to find the perimeter. Now, as you know, this is a logo. First, we have to break this shape into two parts. So one is the sector of the circle, the next one is the rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, but keep note that you will not find the perimeter of this part because it's a logo. So inside the logo it's just the outside part, you're not going to find this part. Okay, so on to the dimensions. So we know that OC is 1.5 centimeters and AB is also 1.5 centimeters since it's a rectangle, so these two sides are equal. And we know that OA is 0.5 centimeters, so this also has to be 0.5 centimeters. So we are going to add 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 0.5. We are not going to add this, okay? Keep that in mind. So we're going to get 3.5 centimeters as the perimeter of the rectangle. So I'm going to write here as 3.5. I'll get rid of this. Now we have to find the perimeter of the sector. To find the perimeter of the sector, you need this angle, okay? To find that angle, so we know that this is 90 degrees. We know that this is 90 degrees. So to find this angle, so you have to subtract 360 minus this angle minus this angle. So to find this angle, first you have to find that one. So to find that one, we know that OE is 0.25 and we know that OD is 0.5. So to find this angle, we can use the cos rule. So cos x, I'll put this as x, equals adjacent over the hypotenuse. So adjacent equals OE. OE is 0.25 over 0.5. So 0.25 over 0.5. Since it's x, so the cos will come to the other side. So it will be cos inverse. So it's going to be cos inverse. So cos inverse of this value. If I actually do that, cos inverse of 0.25 over 0.5, yeah, I'm gonna get 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. So we know that angle. So that is going to be 60. This is 60, this is 90. Now we can find this one. So 360 minus 60 minus 90. So what do we get? So 360 minus 60 minus 90, we're going to get 210 degrees. So that is going to be, this big angle is going to be 210 degrees. So to find the perimeter of this sector, first we have to find this circumference, and then we have to add this value, not this value, because it's, you know, it's inside the logo. We have to find the outside part. So to find the perimeter, you have to actually use 210th of 360. You are not going to use 2 pi r, or also known as pi d, but which is like the formula for the whole circle. So this is just part of the circle, so you're going to use 210 over 360, then times 2 times pi times the radius. So we know that the radius is OD. So OD is 0.5 centimeters. 0.5 plus, we're gonna add to that value this value. So OD is again 0.5. Why I'm adding that is because I need to find the perimeter. This formula is just for the circumference of the sector. This is for the perimeter of this line. So if I add that, so 210 over 360 times 2 times pi times the radius, which is 0.5. Then to that value I'm going to add 0.5, which is this one, and then I'm going to get 2.33. As you can see, 2.33 is the perimeter of this one. So we got the perimeter of this sector as 2.33. So we got this one as 3.5 and this one as 2.33. So 3.5 plus 2.33, and then we are going to get, so 3.5 plus 2.33, just add those two values, and then we'll be getting 5.83, and that is your final answer. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.